Hi, it's Adam from Green Rhino. Today I'm going to show you how the Green Rhino Envirohorn drain filter prevents runoff from your site or works polluting the drainage system. And I'll show you how easy it is to use. Let's start with the basics. Why do you need a drain filter? Surface drains run directly into natural waterways like rivers or the sea. So it's illegal under pollution prevention legislation to allow contaminants like sediment and hydrocarbons to enter the surface drainage system. You may not think that sediment is a contaminant, but it can block drains, leading to flooding, and it can reduce water quality, killing wildlife and leading to a permanent reduction in biodiversity. The Envirohorn sits inside a drain and filters out these contaminants. What are the alternatives? Well, you can do nothing, break the law and risk prosecution. Or you can book a vacuum tanker, clean out drains when they get blocked or contaminated. This will cost a lot of money and introduce delays. We developed the Envirohorn in close collaboration with leading constructors and house builders who were looking for a cost-effective solution that was easy for operatives to use. The Envirohorn can be installed in 5 minutes by one person. Let me show you how. Notice that full user instructions are printed on top of the Envirohorn for ease of installation. First, remove the drain lid and place the Envirohorn into the chamber. Replace the grate and cut away the excess material, leaving around 4 or 5 inches around the edge. Using a heavy duty insulating tape, tape the edges down around the drain so no water can leak behind the Envirohorn. Once the Envirohorn filters are in use, water will flow through the drain filter, capturing all sediment particles and oil inside the horn and allowing clean water to pass through into the drainage system. Envirohorn discharges to Environment Agency accepted levels. After a period of time, the Envirohorn will start to fill as the volume of contamination builds up. At this point, you should remove the filter from the drain and empty the contents onto the spoil heap. Envirohorns can be reused until the flow of water is inhibited and backing up. It is very important that you follow the correct setup process and closely monitor the drain filters when in use to maximise filter performance. There are 2 versions of the Envirohorn drain filter, sediment only and oil and sediment, both of which will fit in a range of drain sizes. The sediment only Envirohorn with the yellow highlights is ideal for sediment contamination from construction sites and wheel wash areas. Filters down to 100 micron and retains 21 kilos of sediment. Then we have the oil and sediment Envirohorn with the orange highlights. Use this if you think you get occasional and small scale hydrocarbon contamination, for example oil leaks or refuelling spills. Filters down to 100 micron, retains 19 kilos of sediment and 1 litre of oil. If you have a pollution incident or there is potential for higher volumes of hydrocarbon contamination, please consider other Green Rhino products such as an Enviro pad or retention pillows or booms to contain spills at source. Sediment only Envirohorns can be disposed of in general waste and the oil and sediment Envirohorn can be disposed of in standard hazardous waste bins. So to summarise the benefits of using the Envirohorn drain filters, remove the costs and delays involved with vacuum tankering, eliminate the risk of site closure, prosecution and fines, and best of all, no pollution. For more details on the Envirohorn, please visit our website or call us.